You got a shirt to throw over the head? A rag or a shirt to throw over the head?
Yeah. I just want to cut the lure. If you can cut the lure off. And I'll undo all the wire.
Through this one here.
There's a lure's in that one, right?
We've got one in the back here.
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
This one's out. I just took this one out, just that back one right here.
It's not forgetting, right?
Yeah, well, he's only got one treble on that. Yep. I got. Hey, grab the hook there, and then pull straight up. Straight up. Yep, pull straight up. Hold up. Is it?
Yeah, I think we're talking. Let's see. I'll just cut the whole lure. No, it doesn't have sticks on it.
Oh, it's not even stuck. It's on the line. You see the line here? That's not. It's not on his hook. I mean, it's not. It's not. It's just you got to cut the line off of him there. There you go. And then I got this for you. There's just one hook in them. You see it? That one. Oh, that's got line too. That's why.
I think it's all just wrapped.
Yeah, perfect. Good?
Fly, bro.
He's good? Yeah. All right. Back to fishing, guys. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. It's totally free to do so. Stay blessed and stay hooked, anglers. See you on the next one. And tap the thumbs up if you will. Angler Ed out.